We're out here with the SNAPTAIN A15H. Get our outdoor flight in because, you know, I was stuck inside before. So let me start some video. Put some radon there. How is it hovering? Pretty stable. Not moving around too much. Video's still recording. That's always a plus, right? Boy, it does some pretty lumbering flips. I don't like this one as much as I like that other one. The one I'm sending to John. That's better. That's a better flyer than this. I can tell you that right now. See the way that thing drops out, loses its altitude, and this one has a bigger battery, but I got the Wi-Fi and all that going now, so we'll have to see what the battery. This is the, I think it's the 800 milliamp hour battery in this one. That other one only had that 550, but it went for 7 minutes, but I didn't have the Wi-Fi on either. But it still was recording video. Let's check the punch out speed. Let me put it up in the third rate. You know, a lot of these, let me try it in the first rate first. Okay. I'm gonna tell you what, there's some lag in this thing, in the throttle. Definitely. Definitely some lag in this thing. Yeah, this one is not as nice as the other model. Nope, doesn't fly as nice. No way. No way, no how. So I'm 2 minutes into the video. Now let me try the third rate for the punch out and see how that works. It's about the same. I noticed that on a lot of these toy quadcopters. The punch out speed in the low rate and the high rates, it doesn't change, you know. Okay, here's the low rate, just flying it around. It's pretty docile. Definitely. Now I'll kick it up a little bit. That's the second rate. Now we'll put it into the third rate, but I didn't do, you see how there's a little bit of lag, and that concerns me. You know, that concerns me a lot with these quadcopters. When you get that lag in the throttle, sometimes it can just never come back. You know, it just goes and see you later, adios amigo, you know. Always be concerned about lag in the throttle. Always. And it ain't the batteries. I just put fresh batteries in here. I just bought them. I just bought them at Walmart, and they were fresh. I just put them in here. So it's not that. It's just, you know, and I'll always go back to it. It's probably that damn Wi-Fi interfering with the quadcopter. With the 2.4 gigahertz. It's probably the Wi-Fi interfering with that. Now it landed on its own. Let me stop the video. I have no idea why. Battery. So I guess that's the end of that. The SNAPTAIN A15H. Flight time wasn't that good. I don't know. The video looked like it only went for like 3 minutes and a half. But I don't know. Not real happy with this one. The other one was much better. I did good picking the other one for John. Not this one. This one I don't particularly care for too much. All right, guys. Have a nice day.